In today's top cryptocurrency news, November 30, 2022, in the first new, Kraken cuts workforce by 30% in an effort to survive crypto winter. According to its CEO, the exchange grew too quickly to accommodate the fast-growing crypto ecosystem. In the second new, price analysis 1130, BTC, ETH, BNB, XRP, ADA, DOGE, MATIC, DOT, LTC, Uni, BTC, and many altcoins are kicking up dust after the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell discussed the possibility of smaller rate hikes in 2023, but is the momentum sustainable? In the third new, Senate Banking Committee Chair calls for coordination with Treasury on crypto. The committee chair cited crypto exchange FTX's alarming fraud, liquidity crunch and bankruptcy as examples of financial risks that the Treasury and regulators should address. In the fourth new, Telegram founder wants to build new decentralized tools to combat power abuse. The messaging platform is building a set of decentralized tools, including non-custodial wallets and decentralized exchanges. In the fifth new, INX submits bid for Voyager Digitals assets. FTX US won a $1.4 billion bid to purchase Voyager's assets in September, but with the firm filing for bankruptcy, the funds were once again up for grabs. In the sixth new, Crypto Stories, the late John McAfee tells the story of how he first found out about Bitcoin. British-American businessman John McAfee talks about his crypto story and how he discovered BTC. In the seventh new, Secret Network resolves network vulnerability following White Hat disclosure. Researchers were able to decrypt all of Secret's internal transactions using an exploit. In the eighth new, Uniswap launches NFT marketplace aggregator. Developers say the tool can help users save upwards of 15% on gas fees when shopping for NFTs. In the ninth new, FTM price rebounds 50% as Fantom reveals 30 years runway, without having to sell its token. The Fantom Foundation's attempt to dispel concerns about potential FTX exposure has been a success thus far for FTM price. In the 10th new, Singapore's Temasek sees reputational damage due to FTX, official says. Despite writing down its $275 million investment in FTX, Temasek still apparently holds its investments in many other crypto-related businesses. In the 11th new, festivals in the Metaverse, how Web3 projects are taking culture virtual. As the Metaverse becomes a place to hang out, more large-scale events will pop up to entice users into digital reality. In the 12th new, illicit cross-chain transfers expected to grow to $10 billion, here's how to prevent them. Forecasts predict cryptocurrency criminals laundering more than $10 billion through cross-chain bridges by 2025, leading to calls for holistic screening solutions. In the 13th new, European Central Bank blasts Bitcoin, community responds. After the European Central Bank released a blog post on the shortcomings of Bitcoin, the crypto community on Twitter took to the comments to defend the cryptocurrency. In the 14th new, digital identity platform integrates with ZK Sync for on-chain KYC. RNS on-chain KYC solution is designed on a privacy engine to encrypt users' data. In the 15th new, Gemini gets regulatory green light in Italy, Greece amid lending halt. Winklevoss Gemini Exchange received the latest regulatory approvals days before its lending product Gemini Earn faced major issues. In the 16th new, BTC price taps $17,000 as analysis warns of inbound Bitcoin risk events. Bitcoin faces more than just FTX fallout in December, with macro data due and the MTGOX payouts getting closer. In the 17th new, what is the best crypto use case? Community answers. A community member argued that the best crypto use case is still how crypto provides a decentralized, peer-to-peer payment system that eliminates middlemen like banks. In the 18th new, Binance acquires regulated crypto exchange in Japan. Binance has managed to expand its services throughout the past year by either acquiring an operating license or buying a stake in a regulated entity. In the 19th new, South Korea issues arrest warrant for Do Kwon's former colleagues. Arrest warrants were sought for Terraform Labs co-founder Daniel Shin, 3 investors, and 4 engineers responsible for Terra USD, UST, and Luna initiatives. In the 20th new, Brazil passes law to legalize crypto as a payment method. The law was approved by the Chamber of Deputies of Brazil, but still requires the approval of the executive branch to be enacted. In the 21st new, blockchain-based supply chain platform canned by IBM and Maersk. Although the Tradilans platform will officially go offline in Q1 2023, Maersk said it's not given up its effort to digitize the supply chain industry. In the 22nd new, bankruptcy court told FTX and Alameda owe BlockFi $1 billion, but it's complicated. While BlockFi has attempted to separate itself from FTX and Alameda in its bankruptcy proceedings, it has many financial ties to firms owned by SBF. In the 23rd new, Bankman-Fried on the hook in Texas, called to appear at February hearing. The Texas Securities Board has asked the judge to consider leveling a cease and desist order, administrative fines, and forced refunds against SBF and FTX.US. In the 24th new, Metaverse exploitation and abuse to rise in 2023, Kaspersky. Cybercriminals will flock to the Metaverse next year to prey on unsuspecting virtual world participants, according to a report by cybersecurity firm Kaspersky. In the 25th new, digital assets could add $40 billion a year to Aussie GDP, Tech Council report. A clear principles-based regulatory approach to the digital assets sector could be a huge benefit to the Australian economy according to the report. In the 26th new, crossover to acquire institutional prime brokerage Bequant. It comes after months of window shopping by crossover as crypto companies are still looking to expand despite the crypto market downturn. In the 27th new, fear of angry people drove Bankman-Fried to open withdrawals for Bahamians. The former FTX CEO has explained why the exchange only reopened withdrawals for Bahamian citizens shortly before filing for bankruptcy. Today's news ends here. Tomorrow there will be more news. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with cryptocurrency news. See you tomorrow.